Hello everyone, this is Maono AU-100R, and in this video I will show you that how can you use this. How can you use this on your smartphone, or how can you use this on your laptop or other device. So in this tutorial I will show you that you need to follow this. So how can you use this, or where you can use this, I will show that. So let's begin our video. So first, there you can see on the box they are showing where you can use. First one is mobile phone, camera, PC and DSLR. Everywhere you can use this Maono AU-100R. And how can you use this? So let's begin. So guys, you need to check this, and there have a function for laptop or other device. On the top function is laptop or other device. You need to check this. And second on is there, you can see it's for a smartphone. If you mark it or if you press it, then your smartphone is working. Top on is for laptop and down on is for a smartphone. So that's it. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.